Namaste. So today's our topic is nervous system. The nervous system is very important in helping to maintain the homeostasis balance of the human body. A series of sensory receptors work with the nervous system to provide information about changes in both the internal and external environment. The human nervous system is a complex of interconnected system in which large systems are comprised of smaller subsystems, each of which have specific structure with specific function. So the basic unit of the nervous system is the neuron or the nerve cell are the basic element of the nervous system. So you can see here the structure of the neuron. So first is head, you can see, then its body and the terminal end fibers. So you can see the nucleus, the branch like structure is dendrites, and the whole part is soma is known as cell body. So you can see here the structure. Then the neck is known as axon, and the end terminal is known as end fiber, terminal fiber. So through the terminal fiber they attach to the next uh, branches of the other neuron or the dendrites of the other neuron through the terminal fiber. So neuron, cell body, the main process centered of the cell. Dendrites, thin branching extent of the cell body and conduct nerve impulse toward the cell body. Axon, a single branch which conduct nerve impulse away from the cell body. Then myelin sheath and neuralema are covering. Then neurons, impulse transmission, terminal and fiber are located at the end of the axon and they transmit impulse leaving the neuron across the synapse to the next neuron. Next is type of neuron. So you can see there are three type of neuron. You can see the different type of neuron through the structure. They all have dendrites and the end terminal and body or axon which we can see through which the nerves travel. Then first is motor neuron known as afferent neuron. Next is sensory neuron known as afferent neuron. Then interneuron. Then neuralgia. Support, protect, connected, remove debris from the nervous system is known as neuralgia. Type of neurological cells are these are the cells they protect, connect and move the debris मतलब unwanted material from the nervous system. They are astrocyte, oligodendroglia and microglia. Then nervous system, all body activities voluntary and involuntary are controlled by the nervous system. Two major components are central nervous system made up of brain and spinal cord, then peripheral nervous system made up of all nerves that lead into and out of the CNS. Central nervous system. The central nervous system is composed of two main interconnected organs, the brain, the spinal cord. These organs work together to integrate and coordinate sensory and motor information for the purpose of controlling the various tissue, organ and organ system of the body. The central nervous system is responsible for higher neuronal functions such as memory, learning and emotion. Then brain. Weight about 3 pounds in the adult. It contains 75% of water and 20% of oxygen. Contain over 100 billions of neurons, control body function and interaction with the outside world. There are four part of the bone: cerebrum, diencephalon, brainstem and cerebellum. Brainstem made up of the midbrain pond and the medulla oblongata. Brain midbrain involved with visual reflection. Pons located between the midbrain and the medulla oblongata control the certain respiratory function. Medulla oblongata contain the centers that regulate heart and lung functioning, swallowing, cough, vomiting, and seasoning. Then, so cough, swallowing, and sneezing is controlled by medulla oblongata. Then, cerebellum area that coordinate mucoskeletal movement of the maintain posture, balance and muscle tone inferior to the occipital lobe of the cerebrum, posture to the pons and the medulla oblongata. So it is the posterior in the posterior part of the pons and the medulla oblongata, which we have studied in the upper. Then cerebrum located over the cerebellum contain two hemispheres with an outer portion called the cerebral cortex. The two hemispheres are connected by a bridge of nerve fiber that relay information between the two hemispheres called the corpus callosum. The left and the right lobes are each divided into four lobes or parts: frontal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. So here we have completed this. I hope you will understand about little bit about the brain and the nervous system. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.